Hi guys, welcome to Dr. Lou's Low Carb Diets. I'm Dr. Lou. Now, today we have another fantastic diet jelly, a Konjac jelly. So the whole idea here is that this product is meant to help satiate our hunger. Again, it looks like a premium product. It's from BeKeto. And so BeKeto seems to be becoming synonymous with high quality natural ingredients. Now, again, what we're looking at for this to test is we want to see if it doesn't, I'm pretty sure it's fine, but I want to make sure it doesn't have any impact on our ketones. But also I want to check to see if I feel satiated when I consume this, because that's the claim on here. So Konjac is famous for water absorbing. So that's what happens when it goes into your stomach. So you're going to feel satiated. Now, also, we want to look at the ingredients and point out if there's anything interesting. The only immediate red flag that I can see is that obviously it's erythritol. I'm only citing the fact that there's some research out there that has shown there are problems with blood platelets, which could be linked to, or might be linked to, or may be linked to, depending on obviously, future research, to the erythritol, sweetener. So, again, that's one thing I'll raise. You can see obviously it's still being sold, so it's obviously not a huge concern. So the whole idea is obviously we're going to review and taste these products, see what they're like. Now, okay, so this is fresh strawberry with vitamin C. Okay, it's pretty low in carbs. This is 150 grams. This packet is 150 grams for the serving. That means you get 0.6 grams of carb. It's not exactly zero carb, but it will do the job. So, it's near enough to zero carb. So only 0.6 carbs per 150 gram, which is pretty good. So not really looking to be much of an issue. Erythritol is pretty good on a ketogenic diet. Let's just see, really, we want to do the taste test, see if it's any good as well. So here we go. Let's open it up. Smells quite strawberry, quite a nice strawberry smell. Yes, smells quite good. So let's give it a taste test. Here we go. Yeah, okay. So yes, it's basically got a very mild strawberry flavor. Again, it's the texture is quite nice. It's got a kind of thick jelly. Let's go in again. Yeah, pretty nice. Yeah, nice. It's quite a thick jelly, and it seems to be, as I said, kind of going in like food rather than a liquid. So that's probably helping as well in the psychological effect. Tasty, refreshing. So that's what I think of this. This is tasty, refreshing. Again, it's there as a nice little appetite suppressant as well. So we'll see that later. 7.5 out of 10. It's something that you would like on a hot day and you're going, oh, I'm hungry. I need to refresh myself. What can I have? I'm on my diet. I don't want something that's going to impact on my ketone level. Yes, so I want zero carbs or very low. This is the one. Whip it out, drink it, refreshed. You won't be feeling hungry and it won't have an impact on your ketones most likely. So we're going to find that out. Let's have a drink again. Yeah. Yeah, very nice. A very mild strawberry flavor hitting my tongue. Refreshing, absolutely conducive, it seems, for satiating your diet. It is actually quite a thick jelly, so you feel it going down, and you feel, oh, my tummy's feeling a bit heavy. So again, I will give you the update on that. So 7.5 out of 10. It's a nice mild flavor and refreshing. What I would think there is to see then obviously the ketone test and did it fill me up. So it's going to take a second for you guys, 2-3 hours for me. See you in a second. Okay, guys, so the results are back and it's all fine. So the BeKeto diet jelly with Konjac in it, which is obviously fresh strawberry, is all fine. So that's all green lights ahead. Now, if you want to buy it, down in the description there's a link. Okay, guys, thumbs up to like and subscribe. Now we're going to go on to the ingredients. Okay, so you can see clearly down here the front of the packaging. It's BeKeto diet jelly, drinkable konjac jelly, all important word, konjac, plus vitamin C. This is all brilliant for the diet. Again, vitamin C, what you're going to need for your immunity. That's going to help you. Obviously, you've got to obviously as well take a vitamin mineral tablet, but a big blast of vitamin C. But a big blast of vitamin C is going to help you to obviously overall for your immunity, because you don't want to have any illnesses or problems on the diet. Well, you've got the flavor is fresh strawberry. Yes, it's a very mild, fresh strawberry, very refreshing. You've got no added sugar. You've got vegan friendly. You've got gluten free. You've got tasty and healthy. Only 9 calories. On the go snack. Yeah, it's definitely pretty dense. It does make you, I've only just eaten them, and it's given me a very full kind of feeling. I don't feel any hunger. So maybe, in the long run, once it's going to be one of those things which you can understand is helpful because it stops you from snacking. Okay, so let's move on. Very nice packaging. Nutrition facts: serving size 1 sachet, which is 150 grams. Serving per container. So you have 150 grams, which is the actual container, and that's 9 calories. Very little, obviously, and that's what you like to see, because if there's very little calories, you're not getting much, any form of carbs into your body. Okay, so carbohydrates, 1.95 grams, sugars, 0.6 grams. So very little impact onto your body's blood sugar level, and the blood sugar level is only going to be impacted by those 0.6 ones, and that is after eating the whole container. So it's a minimal impact of which sugars. Again, you still have 2 carbs overall, so obviously that's going to come probably from the concentrate of the strawberry juice. You can see here the dietary fiber is 0.3 grams, the protein is 0.15 grams, and the sodium is 16.05 milligrams, very little indeed, and vitamin C at 378 milligrams. So the whole idea is that, yes, you're getting some vitamin C, you've got a little bit of sugar, obviously, which is not going to impact at 0.6 carbs, it's not even a gram, and at the same time, you have carbohydrates at 1.95 grams. So you're still getting some form of carbs, obviously, on top of the erythritol. So you can see here the protein as well is minimal, and sodium minimal as well. So everything looks not too scary at all. So looks conducive for a ketogenic diet. Ingredients: water, which is natural, no problem. Strawberry concentrate juice, which is going to be giving you your carbs and the sugar. Erythritol, which is 0 impact on the system, but it does go in and go around and come back out again. Konjac powder, carrageenan, vitamin C, citric acid, and potassium chloride. So you're not going to have any big issues there. A bit of potassium there, which is going to be good for your electrolytes. Chloride, obviously chlorine, which is going to be good for your stomach acid to make more stomach or acid or hydrochloric acid. So the whole idea is that you understand that this seems to have no big issues really in the ingredients. Okay, ingredients, all the nutritional information. Suggested use: diet jelly is a low-calorie choice for snacks and desserts. Helps curb hunger and satisfies sweet cravings. Give it a firm squeeze for a smooth texture, and enjoy it straight from the packaging. It's also great in smoothies, enhancing texture and fostering fullness while supporting weight management efforts. So fantastic there. That's what you like to hear. We are starting to understand that this konjac may be a fantastic alternative to taking, injections or something like this to try to curb your appetites by not doing it naturally. So normally on a normal keto diet, you should have your appetite suppressed by the amount of protein and fat that you're consuming. These should do that job. I guess this as a snack. If you don't want any calories and you go for this, which is a very, very small amount of calories, you will be able to get 0 in you and burn loads more fat. So that would probably be the onset part of this. So that's always an advantage. Okay, guys, so you can see here, remember to firmly squeeze diet jelly before enjoying its taste. sugar-free jelly drink made with natural erythritol safely exits the body without being metabolized. Yes, it does. It basically is absorbed into your body in a normal fashion, and it goes around your body. It isn't utilized as carbohydrates. It goes through without being turned into energy, and it goes right out in your urine. So that is true. Again, although erythritol does have a study on it, in I think it's 2023, where it did talk about cardiovascular events and like certain ideas with platelets in your blood and stuff like that, which again you can research that yourself. It's still readily sold, so I think that research was either a one-off or it wasn't severe enough. Anyway, so it's extremely low in calories, making it an ideal option for those watching their calorie intake. Vitamin C infused diet jelly, and tasty boost for immunity, collagen and glowing skin, turning snacking into a wellness indulgence. So again, yeah, it has several benefits, this drink. It's refreshing, it has a mild taste, so again, it's not going to give you too much of a strong flavor if that's what you're after. It's going to give you vitamin C, it's going to give you the konjac, which is going to help you feel full, and at the same time, you're going to have all these benefits linked to that vitamin C. So, and it's low in carbs. So you know, good all round. Why choose konjac? Okay, so konjac is known for its ultra low calorie content and its properties that promote digestive health and blood sugar regulation. Konjac's remarkable water-absorbing properties, which promote a feeling of fullness and aid in appetite control, are especially beneficial for dieters seeking effective weight management solutions. So diet jelly benefit. Again, you can see it suits vegans, obviously vegetarians, fat-free people. It's keto-friendly for a ketogenic diet, gluten-free for people avoiding obviously gluten, sugar-free for diabetics or people avoiding sugar. And they're talking about a clean formulation, saying obviously it's nice and clean. You can see it. No severe problems there. Yes, it does seem pretty cool. Again, maybe depending on excess and stuff like that, as I mentioned before, regarding the research that was done on the cardiovascular issues. But again, that's something to do with impacts in probably excess and so on. But that's for again for you to go through and do a bit more research on. There's only one I think I could find online in 2023. Again, though, this is a pretty decent drink. It tastes good. It does satiate your appetite, so you feel pretty good on it. So back to me now. So that is a decent drink. It seems to do the job. Again, obviously, if you want to buy it, it's down in the link there. Feel free, and at the same time, thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks a lot, guys. See you later.